Welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at the RocwooD standard pressure washer with the electric start. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. All the pressure washers are all packed the same, so if you wish to see how the pressure washer is unpacked, please visit our previous video. Here's everything that comes with the electric start pressure washer, including a filter hose, chemical hose, standard 10-meter hose along with axles, and a screwdriver set. It also comes with a lance and gun and a screwdriver. Now onto the assembly. We start by putting the front feet into the pressure washer. It comes with a matching screwdriver for the screw, so it's nice and easy to put in and make sure it's nice and secure. Furthermore, please put the axles in the back wheels. They have a knob on the ends of them that will click into place, so they stay nice and secure. Next, to put the wheels on, it comes with its own bolt as well, of its own size, along with its own spanner to make sure the wheels are all nice and secure. It has oversized 8-inch durable wheels for easy transportation and superior stability. This RocwooD pressure washer produces a remarkable 3,950 psi from its 4-stroke engine. You can use this pressure washer almost anywhere with its feeder hose. It can be fed from a tap, bucket or pond. Handle with all the attachable nozzles go on the top next. Next, we attach the handle that holds the 10-meter hose onto the pressure washer. And on the other side, we attach the part that holds the spray gun. There are little bolts that hold both the same sides, and they're equal. Next, we attach the spray gun to the lance. Please be mindful that it's very tight to attach them, so if you get stuck, please ask someone to help you. It comes with a 10-meter hose, meaning less time moving around with the washer and more time cleaning. In addition, we also attach the 10-meter hose onto the lance. On the top of the handle, it comes with 5 quick connect nozzles. The 0% one, which is red. The water stream discharge is very aggressive, please use with extreme caution. It also comes with 15% one, which is yellow. This nozzle is used for most cleaning applications. It comes with a 25% one, which is green. This nozzle is used for cleaning with medium coverage. It comes with a 40% high pressure one, which is white. This nozzle is used for cleaning with wide coverage over a large area, and also comes with a black nozzle, which is used for detergents. To attach one of the quick connect nozzles to the lance, just push down on the lance, put the nozzle in, and then let go. This pressure washer does not include a breather plug, as it is not required for the new edition of pumps. When in storage, the lance sits on the right of the pressure washer, and the 10-meter cable sits on the left. If the nozzles get clogged, a piece of wire is also provided to be able to push through the nozzles to make sure they are clear. This is the electric start system. A key is also provided to make it work as well. To make the pressure washer function, switch from off position to start until the engine fires, maximum 5 seconds. Once running, allow the switch to return to on position. If the engine fails to start within 5 seconds, release the switch and wait at least 10 seconds before trying again. This pressure washer also comes with a circuit protector. To make the electric start function, we need to connect the wires to the battery box around the back of the pressure washer. Please connect the red and the black to their corresponding colours. The pressure washer also comes with a chemical hose. This can be used for detergents. It also comes with an intake hose. Please make sure it clicks in to be able to have the maximum capacity to soak up all the water. A filter is also connected to the end. It is superbly designed and outperforms similar pressure washers. Here are the specifications for this pressure washer. The SKU is RWHPPWES. The continuous rated pressure is 3,200 psi or 220 bar. The maximum pressure is 3,950 psi or 272 bar. The horsepower is 7 horsepower. The engine type is a 4-stroke OHV 210cc. Change in displacement is 196 cc. The maximum flow rate is 10 litres per minute. The intake is through a filter hose. The starting system is an electric start with a backup recoil start, and the tank capacity is 3.1 litres.